Licensing is just the beginning. The real weight of VARA compliance sits in the rulebooks, and most companies underestimate them until it's too late. Hi, I'm Andal Seshadri, legal compliance advisor at Aston VIP and one of Dubai's most active voices in virtual assets law. In this video, I am going to walk you through what the VARA rulebooks are, why they matter more than most people realize, and how to operationalize them without drowning your startup. There are 4 mandatory rulebooks that apply to all licensed WASPs in Dubai, regardless of the type of license you hold, and 8 activity-based rulebooks that only apply to you if you fall within the license activity. The mandatory rulebooks are 1. Company Rulebook, 2. Compliance and Risk Management Rulebook, 3. Market Conduct Rulebook, and 4. Technology and Outsourcing Rulebook. These aren't mere guidelines, they're enforceable legal instruments under Law Number 4 of 2022, and together they form your company's regulatory backbone. The Company Rulebook covers legal structure, ownership transparency, governance obligations, board appointments, and internal audits. It's about ensuring that your entity is fit to operate with clear accountability. The Compliance and Risk Rulebook is the heartbeat of your operation. It mandates a dedicated compliance officer, risk framework, internal controls, suspicious activity reporting, and policy documentation. It's also where your AML CFT architecture lives. The Market Conduct Rulebook governs how you treat the market. No wash trading, no misleading disclosures, and advertising. It must be accurate, fair, and not misrepresent token utility or risk. Technology and Outsourcing Rulebook. This is often misunderstood. It applies if you're non-custodial as well and governs cybersecurity, vendor risk, blockchain integrity, smart contract audits, and even who's hosting your cloud infrastructure. In short, VARA wants to know your tech stack, won't fail the user. And here's what many founders get wrong. These rulebooks are not theoretical. VARA expects you to live them, and that means quarterly audits, board reviews, whistleblowing procedures, and actual enforcement mechanisms that are built into your workflows. If you're licensed but your rulebook compliance is weak, then you're out of alignment with VARA regulations. Whether you're a DeFi protocol, an exchange, a wallet provider, these rules impact how you onboard users, who signs off on smart contract upgrades, how you communicate token risks or other information, and how you respond to suspicious activity, whether you can legally outsource custody or DevOps. And that is why legal, compliance, and engineering needs to speak this exact same language. VARA doesn't regulate in silos, and neither should you. At Aston VIP, we specialize in translating rulebooks into reality. We help founders and general counsels actually implement compliance that satisfies regulators without killing the product roadmap. From setting up your internal governance framework to auditing your cloud infrastructure policies, we've done it for all. Web3 companies at every stage. Visit aston.ae or get in touch to future-proof your licensing path. And don't forget to subscribe. Next, we break down the advisory services license and why even tokenomics consulting might require regulation.